In a groundbreaking move, the Tesla Cybertruck is set to join the ranks of police forces, revolutionizing the way law enforcement operates. This futuristic vehicle, known for its distinctive design and cutting-edge technology, will soon be seen patrolling streets and highways, enhancing the capabilities of police departments across the country. The Tesla Cybertruck, with its angular, stainless steel exoskeleton and bulletproof windows, has always been a vehicle that pushes the boundaries of automotive design and function. Now, it is poised to push the boundaries of law enforcement as well. Police departments are continually seeking ways to modernize their fleets, and the Cybertruck offers a unique blend of durability, performance, and advanced technology that can significantly benefit police operations. One of the primary reasons for the Cybertruck's appeal to law enforcement is its impressive performance capabilities. The top-tier tri-motor all-wheel drive version boasts a 0 to 60 miles per hour acceleration time of just 2.9 seconds, ensuring rapid response times during emergencies. Its robust design also means it can handle rough terrains and high-speed pursuits with ease, making it an ideal vehicle for various policing tasks. Moreover, the Cybertruck's stainless steel exoskeleton provides an added layer of protection for officers. Its durability ensures that the vehicle can withstand impacts in challenging conditions, which are common in police work. This resilience not only enhances officer safety but also reduces the need for frequent repairs and maintenance, making it a cost-effective addition to the police fleet. Tesla is renowned for its technological innovations, and the Cybertruck is no exception. Equipped with Tesla's advanced autopilot system, the Cybertruck can assist officers in various ways, from navigating traffic to monitoring surroundings using its suite of cameras and sensors. This autonomous driving technology can enhance situational awareness and allow officers to focus more on critical tasks during patrols. The Cybertruck also features a spacious interior with ample storage space for police equipment. Its large battery capacity ensures extended operational time without the need for frequent recharging, a crucial factor for long shifts. Additionally, the vehicle's electric nature aligns with growing environmental concerns and the push for greener solutions in public services. The introduction of the Cybertruck into police fleets is not just about improving performance and technology, it also has the potential to enhance public safety. The visibility of such a distinctive and powerful vehicle can act as a deterrent to crime, and its presence on the streets may reassure the public of a robust police presence. Furthermore, the integration of the Cybertruck into law enforcement showcases a commitment to adopting innovative solutions to meet modern challenges. It highlights the willingness of police departments to embrace new technologies that can improve efficiency and effectiveness in serving and protecting communities. The Tesla Cybertruck joining the police force marks a significant milestone in the evolution of law enforcement vehicles. Its combination of high performance, advanced technology, and robust design makes it an ideal choice for modern policing needs. As police departments begin to deploy the Cybertruck later this year, the landscape of law enforcement is set to change, bringing with it a new era of enhanced capabilities in public safety. The future of policing is here, and it looks decidedly futuristic.